Hi boys and girls, this is just another video for the week where we will go over your vocabulary words for this week. We are in week 14 and this is just like a normal week for us. We have 10 assignments on Spelling City and I will be assigning 2 activities per day. So now that it's Wednesday, you'll be working on your 5th and 6th activity on Spelling City. Let's get started and go over our words and just review them. Remember, these words have a lot to do with point of view and who is telling the story. So our first word is first person. Let me move myself out of the way. The form of a verb or pronoun that is used when people are speaking or writing about themselves. So first person, remember first is me. If the author uses words like me or my or I, it's in first person. The second word is the narrator, and the narrator is the person who tells the story. So if there is narration, it means there are words that are telling the story or what's going on, and the narrator is the person who tells the story. The next word is third person. It's the form of a verb or pronoun that is used about another person you are speaking or writing about. So when we had our point of view anchor chart from last week, first is me, second is you, and third is we or they or her or she. So third person is when the narrator is, writing or speaking about another person in the story. The next word is point of view, and it's the position from which a story is told. So it's how you view the story. It's how you hear the story based on who is telling it. Last word is the word persuasion. So I gave a really specific example of persuasion yesterday, and persuasion is actions seeking to convince someone. So my example from yesterday was you see a really awesome toy at the store and you want your grandma to get it for you, but grandma told you already we're not buying toys today. So you have to convince her that you really need this toy, or you have to convince her that your life will be much better because you're getting this toy. So this was just a quick little review of your words for you. Now that you have watched this video, you will log out of here. Not really log out, but you'll X out of this video. You'll log on to Spelling City and complete the following 2 activities. You will complete which word sentences and match it sentences. So you'll be working with your words, of course, your 5 words, and you'll be matching sentences and you'll be matching words to their definitions.